Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. So first of all, I can log in into my WordPress website. Let me add wp-admin, and now here I need to add username and password. Then let me click on login button. So guys, here you can see I am logged in into my WordPress website, and in the WordPress dashboard we need to install a free plugin. So just we can go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. And here you can find out thousands of free WordPress plugins. And here we can search plugin by name, limit, login, attempts. Scroll down and here you can see this one, 2 million plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So now you can simply install this plugin. And after that click on activate button. Now scroll down and let's go to plugin settings. Just you can go in the settings, scroll down, and here you can see these are the default settings. So user can try to log in 4 times. You can change it the value. For example, if you want to keep it 3 times, then minutes, so how much time period it will take. Then after that again this value, so 4 to 24 hours, and then it will reset. So after password incorrection and any type of other incorrect details, so then it will allow users to log in after 24 hours. Then scroll down and you can click on save settings if you have changed anything. So you can uncheck and check these options, any of these that you want. In this way you can easily protect your WordPress website free of cost.